Welcome to AlUla!
We can even go on top of that rock. So I'm definitely gonna come here again. It's like so good. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are heading off to AlUla right now. We thought we will head off at 5 a.m. but it's already 6:15 a.m. right now. We'll be going to a restaurant first and having some breakfast and then straight to AlUla. We'll reach there around like 4 p.m. So yeah, hopefully everything will be fine and let's begin. Okay guys, on the way we saw some goats, so we just got down to have a look at them.
A few moments later.
Shammi hero da hero. Hi guys, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്
ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഷമി. സാറല്ല കോട്ടെ പറഞ്ഞു.
ഷമ്മി ഹീറോയാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്ത റൂമിലേക്ക് നടക്കുകയാണ്. ഇവിടെ ആരെയും കാണുവാനില്ല. ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ എന്നാണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങൾ പറ്റിക്കപ്പെട്ടോ ഗൈസ് എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ആശങ്കയിലാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ നടക്കുന്നത്. ലബീബ് എല്ലാവിധ പ്രതീക്ഷയോടും കൂടി കാത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ആരെയും മുട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, തുറക്കപ്പെടുമെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്. മൃദുൽ അവരെ ബന്ധപ്പെടാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹോട്ടൽ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്ത ആളെന്ന എല്ലാവിധ ഉത്തരവാദിത്വത്തിന്റെ ഭാവവും
അതിന്റെ പേടി മുഖത്ത് കാണുന്നുണ്ട് പാവം. So guys, we have reached here at our apartment. So we haven't checked in yet because our flat isn't ready yet. They haven't cleaned the place. So our check-in time was like around 2 p.m. But it's already 3 p.m. and they haven't cleaned it yet. They asked us to come like around half an hour later. So we are all walking.
Yeah guys, the first impression is very bad.
Yeah.
So negative mark for the apartment. We will update soon.
Yeah. So we don't know where we are going. They told us like there will be some place for us to visit. But we have no clue where we are going. We are just walking.
Hi guys.
Oh guys. Did you find any place to go?
Yes. Come and walk. My leg is a pain.
So the thing is, weather isn't that bad. Weather is like kind of good, right, Mosi?
Yeah, weather is very good and very windy.
It's windy and it's not warm. It's like a
It's cloudy. We can't see the sun. And rocky.
yeah. So it's windy.
ഇതൊന്നും വരില്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഇതൊക്കെ വരുമോ? എല്ലാം വരും. ഇതായിരിക്കും മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. വേറെ ഒന്നും വന്നില്ല വരും.
So this is a place. We just found it. We doesn't know where exactly this is. It is like very close to our apartment. It's pretty nice. So we can go up. We're going to go up right now. As you can see, it's so fabulous, guys. So we can even go on top of that rock. It's a huge rock. I don't. Now we are going on top of that rock. So yeah, our friends are already on top of this thing. It's raining, guys. Yeah, it's raining after a long time. So we have found a place like this under the rock.
പ്രകൃതി നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി കരുതി നൽകിയ ആ ഒരു
Guha. This was a very beautiful place. I'm really glad that they didn't clean up the place in time because this was out of our itinerary. We would have never came here. So we have reached back and hopefully our accommodation will be ready by now. Okay guys, this is our first apartment. We have a kitchen here like this. Oh my god, we even have a washing machine, a fridge, oven, yeah, dining area, and yeah, there is a living area like this, and yeah, of course, mirror, and let's see. So this is one bedroom. It's pretty spacious, guys. It's pretty spacious, and yeah, we have a dressing table right here, and this is the bathroom, and this is the second bedroom. So this is the second apartment. So this is one of the bedroom here. We have a TV and everything. It's like pretty good, guys. I really like it. With the dressing table, seating, everything is there. And here the kitchen is a bit small with washing machine and everything. Yeah. And we have his and her wash basins, washroom, and this is the second bedroom. Okay guys, now we have checked in and after that we are going to Elephant Rock. What's the time right now?
It's, I think 5:08
Yeah,
or 5:15.
anyway, it's past 5. So Elephant Rock is around 45 minutes away from here. So we are just heading there. Yeah. Okay guys, we have reached Elephant Rock and there's a very big queue because it's Eid holidays. So there are lots and lots of people here. We can't see the people though. We don't know where they are, but there are lots and lots of vehicles here. We are walking. The parking is almost full. I think there is a concert going on, so maybe people will be there, hopefully. Let's see.
It looks like somebody took out a bowling pin out of it.
Wow, it's huge. Oh my god, it's like really crowded. It's huge, guys. It's like really huge. I'm taking this video in 0.5 zoom. There are so many restaurants, juice bars, and a lot of other things around. And also a lot of different seating. It's a pretty good view, guys. We are heading to Old Town and this is the north parking of Old Town. So we have parked our car here. From this north parking we can go to Old Town. There are so many transport services here. So yeah, we are entering one of the bus or van, yeah, minivan kind of thing. ഇത് മൊത്തം ഫ്രീ ആണ് guys.
AlUla, and it's very amazing place. Like on the way to the elephant park, elephant rock, we saw the old town. Like it was very amazing with the lights and the old kind of buildings and structure. And we are very excited to go there and explore the streets of the AlUla Old Town and to enjoy the food there. So let's see how's there.
Oh my
Bye.
god. So yeah, now we are walking towards the Old Town. It's an Old Town here, I think. So that was a free bus service for us from the north parking area to the Old Town. So yeah, that's so sweet. Oh, it's written here, welcome to AlUla. Welcome to AlUla Old Town. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's written there. So when you look at the architecture of this place, you can see that it's quite different from all of the things that I've seen. And yeah, so this is the AlUla Old Town. If you're coming to Old Town AlUla, you can see so many cute places like this to take pictures, and trust me, all these pictures are literally really beautiful. Even those places are really cute and they are well lit, just like a studio. So you just need to come here and take pics. There are so many different exhibits like this, guys. So this is the Old Town AlUla, and I'm not even kidding. This place is like another world. Literally, it will transport you to, hundreds of years back. It's very cute, very nice, and whenever you turn your face around, you can see a new spot to take cute pics. There are lots and lots of studio setups here and there, and it's like so pretty, guys, literally. I love this place and I'm definitely gonna come here again. It's like so good. We are heading back.
We are going back, guys.
Yeah.
Going back. ഞങ്ങൾ ബാങ്കിൽ പോകുന്നു.
നല്ല വിശക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
So how was this place?
It was really nice.
Next, we're going to have dinner.
I think this was enough.